Hey guys, and welcome back again. I wanted to shoot a quick video because this was in response to something that was sent to me. A lot of times YouTubers and online sellers and so forth, they will write a book on Kindle and put it on Amazon, and a lot of people don't know exactly what to do to get it. It's a little bit confusing, so I wanted to answer that question. I just received a question just a few minutes ago, and it was about that. He said he did not have a Kindle, and how would he be able to get the book? Well, that's what I want to share with you guys, and I want to show you exactly how to do it. All you really have to do is once you go to Amazon.com, you're going to put in a book, and I'm going to put in mine, Around the Clock Profits book. And I'm going to use my book as an example because it's my book, so I can use it as an example. And basically what you do is you click on the book, and once you click on the book, over here to the right where it says buy now with one click, and so basically you buy the item, you pay the price, whatever it's for. It'll prompt you to put in your card or however you want to pay for it, and you get it. Now, when it comes to downloading it, you don't have to have a Kindle reader. Amazon has a program where they will, in effect, loan you a reader for free. You see this here? Free Kindle reading app. And all you really have to do, if you have an Android device or an iPod or whatever it is, an iPhone, I'm sorry, or whatever kind of device you have, they make it pretty easy. A tablet, all you really have to do is put in the telephone number, put in the email address or the telephone number, and what it'll do, you push send me the link, and you can download the link onto your cell phone or your tablet or whatever. Now, for me, I don't have a Kindle reader either. So what I did was downloaded the item to my Android device, my Samsung Galaxy Note 2 or 3 or whatever that thing is my wife bought me. And that's what it is. So you don't have to have a Kindle reader. Don't let that discourage you from purchasing great reading material. And I'm not saying that mine is all that great. Well, it is, but you know what I mean. There's a lot of good reading material on here. Don't let that little block stop you, okay? That's just my thought, guys. I hope this helps, and we appreciate you guys taking an interest in what we do. Hopefully this information will help. We appreciate you guys.